The important question then should follow. How will we know whether this figure of 137,537.50 is net income or net loss? There are actually two ways to know. First, compare the total debit with the total credit of the income statement columns. Which total is higher? This debit total or this credit total? This credit total of 2,678,375. Now, knowing that the total credit is higher than the total debit and recalling that the debits in the income statement are the expense and contra sales accounts, while the credits are the revenue and contra purchases accounts, then you should realize that in this case, the total revenues are greater than the total expenses, which means what? There is net income. And the net income amounts to this 137,537.50. Therefore, we must label this row as net income. The second way to know if there is net income or net loss is to observe these two figures. If they are far from each other, like in this case, one is here, the other is on the far end, then there is net income. When they are near or side by side each other, one is written here, while the other is placed here, then there is net loss. A tip or hint for you to remember that is, just think of these two figures as boyfriend and girlfriend. When they are always together or near each other, they quarrel. Therefore, net loss. But when they are apart or far from each other, they miss one another, so they reconcile. Therefore, net income.